I've grown an AI agent business to over $1 million ARR in 58 days. And in this video, I will be showing you everything that you need so that you can start selling AI agents, and you do not need to be technical for this. So here it is, 0 to 10K a month selling AI agents in 2026 without obsessing over tech, because tech is not the bottleneck. You need to focus on building relationships and finding actual business owners. And then for the tech, you can outsource and white label cool software. I'll show you everything about that. So the main thing you want to focus on is picking a painful workflow, making it repeatable with the agent, and then selling the outcome. Do not focus on the actual agent. Do not say I'm selling you AI agents, but focus on the outcome. What is the agent actually doing for the business owner? So the money is not in the model, it is in the outcome. So don't say I'm giving you a ChatGPT agent, a Claude agent, N8N. Just like I said, the big mindset shift that you need to focus on is that you're selling them the outcome. I'm selling you a lead generation agent. Nobody cares about that. I'm selling you 20 more booked calls per month. People will say yes to that. So make sure that's what you're leading with, as opposed to I'm selling you a lead generation agent. People will not just chase the hype. And implementation beats invention. So like I said, you do not need to be technical to do this. There are amazing software out there. You do not need to go and create an amazing AI agent. You can just focus on what's already there and focus on the hard part, which is finding customers. And I'll show you exactly how you can do that. So quick math. A simple 10 clients at 5K a month will bring you 50K MRR, meaning that it's coming in every single month. You don't have to worry about getting new clients. So the big focus is how can you get 10 clients paying you $5,000 a month, and you don't have to focus about the tech at all. So do not start by building a platform. You're just going to be wasting time. You need to focus on the big problem, which is finding customers. So you don't have to worry about agents, APIs, tools. You need to have a decent understanding. So when you're selling it to people, if they do have technical questions or security, you can answer it, but you can always tell them, hey, I need to go ask my CTO or my lead engineer, and then consult with Claude or ChatGPT to make sure you get the right answers done. So for fulfillment, you can use Cyndra AI, which has a white label platform right here. AI employees, they did all the heavy lifting, SOC 2 compliant, and you can just come in, white label their platform. They have all the integrations, so you do not need to worry about the underlying tech. And then from there, you can go in and train an agent to make sure it's a sales agent, lead generation agent, or whatever you need, whatever you're going to be going and selling to businesses. Do not worry about the tech. Use Cyndra AI, white label them. And that's the first step. Now, how do you focus on the next thing, which is essentially getting the customers? So the first thing is, who is your ideal customer? You need to find a buyer who has money. You don't want to go and target someone who does not have money, because you're just going to be wasting time, and it's only going to be harder to get to that 50K a month or 10K a month goal, whatever goal you set for yourself. So here are some examples of businesses that do have money. And if you have a problem with this, feel free to just go and ask Claude or ChatGPT, what are good, boring businesses that have a large amount of money, but processes that are taking up so much time and might have opportunity to sell them AI agents. After that, you want to package one AI employee as a simple offer. So just like I said, you want to sell the outcome. You don't want to sell, I'm building you an AI agent. Businesses aren't going to care about that. But if you tell them, I will guarantee that you get 20 more calls booked every single day, that is something that they will care about. So make sure you package an AI employee as a simple offer. And one very common one that I see is a sales agent. So you can sell saying, I will guarantee that you do not have leads falling through the crack. And in order to do this, again, you can come over to Cyndra, white label their platform, and I'll show you how this looks like. So on the actual Cyndra platform, once you come in here, they have integrations where you can integrate with the different softwares. One of those could be Fathom, which is something that joins Google Meet calls, transcribes everything. And the other thing is Gmail. So simply by making these two integrations, you can build a sales agent saying that you'll have an agent that is joining every single call, it's checking your email, and that's guaranteeing that no leads fall through the cracks. So you don't need to go into the fine details of the agent joining the call, it's checking your email. Just tell them leads will not fall through the crack. But you know what's happening under the hood is that there's an agent checking the person's email every single day. It's checking their Fathom calls to see how did the last calls with these potential clients go? What are the next steps? Making sure that no one gets accidentally ghosted. So sell a 30-day pilot, not a science project. If you go up to a business and say, give me 50K straight up front, they are probably going to say no, but you need to get your foot in the door. You can give them a smaller setup or even a free audit. A very good thing that you can offer them is a $1,000 audit where you do a deep dive with the business owner or different people on their team and just understand everything that they have going on and what are the different opportunities that you can do. So start small, get your foot in the door, and then after that, you can go and see the different stuff to do. And here's a quick little example. We install one AI employee into your business in 30 days. It handles lead generation or it handles pipeline management. And it starts with the least privileges. So it's not just going to go out and start sending emails without them asking for it. It's going to make sure that it's asking the human for approval so they can properly manage it and make sure it's done right. Customer acquisition. So this is the big thing. If you have an amazing funnel, if you have the amazing product, you don't have to worry about the product. But the biggest thing is how do you actually find the customers? And content is the biggest thing. DMs create calls. So for the actual content, here's what I'd suggest. You can make reels just like this. How to make an AI sales agent. The one that I just described. You see, I made these 2 reels. They didn't get too many views, combined 2,000 views. But here's where volume negates luck. If you're making a reel like this every single day, or even 2 of these every single day, and you can get 1,000 views on them, that can bring you 30,000 views a month to 60,000 views a month. And in that, those are real people watching it on YouTube. I guarantee you are going to get some inbound demand. So make sure you say, how to make an AI sales agent. Here's a CTA. Go check out this. And from that, people will come to you. Another thing that you can check out is ManyChat. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of your favorite creators do this where they say, here's how you build an AI sales agent. And this is with ManyChat on Instagram. You can have very complex workflows here so that when you DM them the actual lead magnet or playbook, you also push a CTA. Hey, do you want me to set this up for you for free? Or do you want a free audit? Do you want a $1,000 audit? Whatever your CTA might be, you want to make sure that you're just volume negates luck, spreading out a lot of content, and then you have some way to capture them. So content and then ManyChat to really capture that. And then another way is cold outreach. So LinkedIn and Twitter DMs are amazing. A really good way to do this is by stealing other people's leads. So here's an example of stealing leads. I know this is someone who makes a lot of lead magnets. And as you see here, he says, comment pricing and I'll send you the link. So maybe someone makes a post on LinkedIn saying, here's how you make an amazing sales agent, comment agent, and I'll send you the link. And you can come here, just check all the comments, go and connect with all of them, and then send them a DM. Hey, I saw that you're interested in AI agents, or I saw that you're interested in a sales agent. I would love to give you a free audit. And that's how you can get your foot in the door. After you get them on a call with the free audit, you can work your way up to essentially sell a smaller package and just keep rolling up, foot in the door, upsell, upsell, upsell. This is where ManyChat comes in, making AI lead magnets, and you can use Claude or Claude Code for this to essentially make a really good lead magnet, like a full AI sales agent playbook, or how you can get 20 calls booked. Have Claude make the actual playbook, post that everywhere, and then you could use something like ManyChat to actually send a DM as well as a CTA, so they get the actual lead magnet, and then you can also push your actual service or your free AI audit so you can get your foot in the door. The audit is the best foot in the door. Mini audit, free, full audit, $1,000, managed service, $5K a month. You cannot just slam them in the face and say, cool, you commented on my post. Do you want to pay me $5,000 a month for an agent? They will absolutely say no. But if you start small, cool, I saw you commented on my post. I would love to give you a free AI audit just to hear how things are going in your business. There's a lot higher chance that you will get good conversion rates there. After that, you can eventually pitch them, cool, I gave you a free 15-minute audit. I would love to do a 2-hour deep dive. For that, we charge $1,000. And then just keep building that trust with them until you get to the point where you can comfortably charge them $5,000 a month. Let the human run discovery. So you know that content is the way to go. Keep posting as much content as possible and also leverage cold DMs on Twitter and LinkedIn. You can steal your competitors' traffic. And the big thing that you need to focus on is that finding the customers is the hard part. Posting content, you have to be extremely consistent. Try posting 2 to 3 reels a day. Just be as consistent as possible. So you do not want to focus on the tech, and that's where Cyndra AI comes in. Like I said, you can come to Cyndra, white label them. That way, after you actually close a client, you don't have to worry about fulfillment at all. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to worry about what's going on with the model routing, how you connect securely to tools, SOC 2 compliance. That's something that Cyndra handles entirely. So all you need to focus on is the actual getting customers.